are to listen, even not only for me but for others. So, take for example, he is not only a good preacher, as I've already told a while ago. He is also a book lover, collected many books. Maybe that is his secret on why he could preach really and wake us up all pag kami ay inaantok. Magaling siyang talagang very effective preaching. He knows how to preach so that people could listen. That's actually the title of the book that he wrote some years ago, How to Preach So People Will Listen. And this is a small book, but really very useful, especially those being trained, like many seminarians today, his students, to preach effectively. So in this hall, also in this Nicasio Preachers collection, you will see now the books that he collected. Some more books will come in the future, will occupy all this small place here. This is a place where he conceived so that seminarians like you can practice their homily with or with others, video and webcam. And also here there are like a round table here so that the preacher, the one practicing through Father Linus' guide, can be evaluated properly, something like a place where feedbacking will be made. So that is I have so many memories of Father Linus, and one of them is really, as others would really attest to, the many times that he preached. Take one short wish for Father Linus, as we say in Latin, ad multos annos, more years to come for him, good health, most especially as he had turned 60 years old. I'm not revealing his age here, but we are not he's not getting younger, and that's a small wish. And a big wish now would be that all his books would now begin to occupy this place, the Nicasio Preachers Collection.
Father Linus, happy 35th sacerdotal anniversary and happy 60th birthday. Your passionate teacher, Father. I will always treasure that I am in charge of the Nicasio Preachers Collection in the Arnoldus Library, because, Father, you are handing down to us a very comprehensive collection of materials. I wish, Father, that you can inspire more seminarians to be creative and faithful ministers to the Word of God.
Father Lino, I'm happy to have the opportunity to wish you a very happy 35th anniversary and also a 60th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Well, Father, they asked me to describe you in one word. That's a little difficult because you use many words when you were teaching us. But I would say inspirational, because you were inspirational in teaching us how to truly proclaim the Word of God. Thank you. Standing here in front of the camera reminds me of one of my unforgettable moments when we had to preach a practice homily in front of the videotape. It was not a delightful experience at all. It was a horrible experience. I'm happy that I won't have to watch myself on this one. But probably on a more positive note, I'd like to recall the unforgettable moments of the jokes, the unforgettable string of witty remarks that you had in class. I still remember many of them. I wish I could know on this your anniversary. My wish for you is that you continue to rejoice in the gift of the priesthood and continue to grow in holiness and faith ad multos annos.
We have special surprise to everyone here. Okay? We invited a very, very good singer. No further ado, let's give special guest. Right? He is the vice rector of the Divine Seminary.
LSHA in Moral Theology and director of
Arnold's Communication Center. Alright? He is known to be the singing priest.
By the way, there's an album you have to look for it. It's available on the market. Go get a copy.
Kung gusto niyo bang marinig kung ano yung ibang kanta, I think it's time for you to buy. Ako itong natin siya, potential ito para kantahan, ceremony, Father, for support us here, and also at the same time, let's promote this upcoming album. This will be available in all the stores. Alright? Can you call it now?
Yeah.
Is it ready? Alright. Is it ready? Alright. Let's give a big round of applause for our singing priest, Father Babu. I'm so happy to have been invited to grace this occasion, this special celebration of the 35th sacerdotal anniversary of Father Lino Nicasio and his classmate here, Father Vic Uri. And by the way, for the information of everyone here, I just came from Puerto Galera this morning in order to also to grace the occasion of the 35th sacerdotal anniversary of one of a classmate of Father Lino, is Father Isday. So, from heart to heart, because they belong to heartfelt class. And of course, I represent Tagaytay. I was a student of Father Lino in Tagaytay. My only frustration is that I could not follow his footsteps as a public and public speaker. So I chose another path, another career, that is singing music ministry. Because I know that with music, he can also outdo me in his field. So here's a song that speaks about the Spirit of the Lord and the beauty. Okay.